In this video, I am going to show you how to search for specific freelance job on the Upwork application. For that, you need to open your Upwork application. Then you have some jobs here on the home screen for like best matches according to your profile and skills, and then most recent jobs on your niche. To search your job, you can just click on the search bar. Then you can search for any job. For example, I want to search for video editing job. I can just click on video editing and or even type video editing. Then now it will show me every job that is available for the video editing. Okay, you have some really cool filters here. You can just click on this icon. Then you can select if you want to go with $30 per, you can just per hour, you can just click on that. If you want to also go with fixed price, you can click on that. If you want some really good projects, you can choose these settings and then apply. After that, it will show you some really good budget and legit offers and jobs, so you can apply from there.